before you not just a candidate, but as a passionate advocate for the right, welfare, and aspiration of all Nigerian students. My journey in student unionism began at the Federal University of Technology, Akure Student Union, FUTASU, where I honed my leadership skills and cultivated a deep understanding of the challenges we face, rising to the esteemed position of the Public Relations Officer for NANS Zone D, Southwest. I have witnessed firsthand the power of unity, collaboration, and the unwavering spirit of our student body. I'm proud to announce my candidacy for the position of NANS President under the banner of the Impact Movement, guided by the profound slogan, Vox Populi Vox Dei, the voice of the people is the voice of God. This is not merely a slogan. It is a commitment to ensuring that every student's voice is heard, valued, and respected. The mission for empowering Nigerian students on fostering a student-centric approach that prioritizes their voices and needs in the educational landscape by collaborating closely with the student union government, president of all tertiary institutions. I aim to address pressing grassroots issues such as school fees increment, accommodation, and the overall learning environment. This partnership will focus on advocating for equitable education policies that ensure every student has access to quality education and resources. Together, we all create a unified front to tackle these challenges, ensuring that students are not only held, but actively involved in shaping the future of their educational experiences. As your NANS president, one of my missions will be centered on empowering stakeholders through initiatives that foster sustainability and sustainable growth and development. I believe in creating opportunities that transcend the confines of our university years, ensuring that the empowerment we advocate for lasts a lifetime. I will build the unwavering voices for the countless Nigerian students who feel marginalized and unheard, championing policies that uplift and support our collective interest, while fiercely opposing any measure that is detrimental to our welfare. Let me go back to the paragraph again, please. As your NANS president, one of my missions will be centered on empowering stakeholders through initiatives that foster sustainable growth and development. I believe in creating opportunities that transcend the confines of our university years, ensuring that the empowerment we advocate for lasts a lifetime. I will be the unwavering voice for the countless Nigerian students who feel marginalized and unheard, championing policies that uplift and support our collective interests while freely opposing any measures that are detrimental to our welfare. My agenda is clear: to eradicate factionalism within NANS and to cultivate an environment where every student can benefit from our collective efforts. I envision a NANS that is unified, inclusive, and representative of the diverse tapestry that makes up our student population. Together, we will restore unity across all student structures, forging a path that embraces collaboration over division. As a PhD student, I carry with me the weight of understanding the unique challenges faced by students at every level of education. I recognize the struggles, the aspiration, and the dream that drives us forward. My commitment is to run an all-inclusive government where every student feels seen, heard, and valued. To the student union president across our campuses, I urge you to lend your support to this vision of unity and empowerment. Together, we can create a formidable force that advocates for our rights and champions our causes. And to my fellow students, I ask for your grassroots support. Your voices are powerful. And together, we can reshape the future of student leadership in Nigeria. Let us rise together, united in purpose, and driven by the desire for positive change. Join me in this journey to make NANS a beacon of hope, impact, empowerment, and unity for all Nigerian students. I also want to use this medium to introduce to the whole Nigerian student populace the campaign, the Director General of this campaign movement, the Impact Movement, Comrade Shetima Umar, the essay on education to the Borno State Governor. And he's there with me. I would like him to say one or two things to Nigerian students before we close the event for today. Thank you. Stakeholders of NANS, senators of NANS, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members.
I'm grateful for this trust reposed in me by Comrade Opeoluwa and the Impact Squad Movement Progressive Team. As we embark on the community and we are committed in making a difference. Our priorities are as follows. 1. Affordable quality education for all. 2. 5. Establishing the NANS digital database where we'll have the records of all student union government president, JCC chairman, and zonal leadership of NANS. Access to technology. The last but not the least, addressing issues of cultism and violence on our campuses. We will mobilize Nigerian students, engage with policy makers. As a former elected vice president of NANS, which was elected in the year 2016, virtually 10 years ago, I have the insight and experience.
National Association of Nigerian Students. I also have the student union president.
Support for NANS president. God bless you, each and every one of you, as you join this meeting.
Water.